How to download and recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and recover end-to-end encrypted chats on your Messenger account. So if you have lost access to your encrypted message or just want to back them up, this step-by-step guide will help you out. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the three dash icon on the top left corner and a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you can see the gear icon in the top right. Simply tap on that. And from here, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled Privacy and Safety. Now tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. And from here, go to the Messenger storage and make sure your security storage option is enabled. And this will allow your encrypted chats to be backed up. And after enabling backup, you can follow these steps. So you can go back to the Messenger settings and from there you can simply scroll down and tap on Account Center. And once you see the interface like this, simply tap on your information and permission option. And after that, you simply need to tap on download your information on new page. And this is the only way to download your encrypted messenger chats. Now choose download your transfer information button and select Facebook Messenger. And if your Facebook account is linked to Instagram, you can also download Instagram data from here. Now tap next and select the data you want to recover. For this video, I'm gonna simply choose messages. Now once you have selected that, simply tap on download device and pick the date range for the backup. And also make sure that your email address is correct since you will receive the download link there. Now you can download data from the last week, last month or last 3 months. Select your preferred time range and choose media quality and select high for better resolution. Now once you're done with everything, simply tap on create file button and wait for the process to complete. The time required depends on your internet connection and file size, and once the file is ready, you will see a download button. So once you see the download button, simply tap on it to download your encrypted messenger data, and your encrypted chats will now be available for review on your device. And that's it. That's how you can download and recover encrypted messenger chats on any smartphone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.